Welcome to the project demonstration of anti-sleep alarm system for the students. So like this main purpose of this project is when the students are in studying session, then this system will ask for the setting time, how much of time you want to take a power nap, like a small sleep. Then the student has to enter the timing. So now we are setting the time in seconds only. In real time we can go with the minutes and hours. So for demonstration purpose it's in seconds mode. So then you need to place and minus the seconds. After entering the seconds of the particular time duration, and when it's near to end, then the system will give the buzzer. It will intimate to the student like the alarm is going to end up. And if he didn't woke up or is not in the room, then the system will switch off the buzzer as well as the light inside the room, or it indicated to the fan also, the table fan or something. Then the system will off the all the like output modules. Then the person, if it is there inside the room, then the person will came to know that the alarm is completed, and if it's not in the room, then the power will be saved. So these are two applications from this project. So the main modules are like RTC modules, a real-time clock module, and these two control buttons to set the time duration, and LCD display to display the status and the remaining time, and buzzer to indicate the audible alerts whenever the time is coming to near to end. And then this relay used to isolate the power supply to the AC load, and this one is the regulator power supply board. It will get the 230 volts input, and it will provide us the 5 volts constant regulated power supply. So with the help of these components like step down transformer and regulator and capacitors, so from this we are going to provide the 230 volts input, and after this we will get 5 volts output. And this is the main motherboard which is interfacing between the input modules like RTC and control buttons, and it will control the output modules like relay, buzzer and LCD. So coming to the interfacing connections, we have interfaced the RTC module at A0, A1, and these two control buttons at B0, B1, and the relay at C3 pin, and buzzer at C4 pin, and port B LCD, that B2 to B7. So they are the interfacing connections, and let us see the demonstration. So when we switch on the kit, then there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen. Right. You can see that anti-sleep alarm system. Right, and it is monitoring now. Timer is 0 now. So just hold this button till how many seconds you want to set it. So let us go with the 15 seconds. So once 15 seconds completed, if you want to entering into the alarm mode after setting the time, these two are increase and decrease the timer. So right, I want to set it for 15, so now it's 17, just down and again down. Okay, so now if you want to entering into the mode, then you need to press these two buttons. Then the beeps like it started the timer, and the timer will decreases every second, and once it's below 10 seconds, then alarm on, it will inform to us. So again I'm showing that. So now the bulb will switch it on. So previously just lose contact, now its bulb got switched on, and so whenever the timer reaches below 10 seconds, and then it's beeping, and if the person is he came to conscious and you need to press the button, then it will be normal mode. So if you didn't press the button within the time, then the system will isolate the power supply to the load also. Let us see the demonstration in that region also. So now let us place the time duration for only 12 seconds, and after that again, right, so you need to press the button. Right, so the person is not in the room or he is unable to press the switch, then the system will isolate the power supply to the load so that we can save the power. Right, it's continuously beeps continuously, like the person has to press the button again. Right.